Today we are starting uniform and non-uniform motion. Now, uniform motion, when a body covers equal distance in an equal interval of time. I am taking one example. Here is an object. This object starts to move from point A. When it moves and reaches to point B, it covers the distance of 10 meters in 2 seconds. Again, it starts and it reaches to point C and it covers 10 meters in next 2 seconds. Then again, it reaches to point D and again it covers 10 meters in 2 seconds. So, we can see this object is covering equal distance in an equal interval of time. So, the motion of this object is known as uniform motion. Now, same object, now it is moving in the busy road. So, what happened? In the first 2 seconds, it covers 10 minutes. In the next 2 seconds, it covers 5 meters. And in the next 2 seconds, it covers 15 meters. So we can see body covers unequal distance in an equal interval of time. So this type of motion is known as non-uniform motion. No uniformity is here. So we will write their points, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. About the uniform motion, right here, motion is said to be uniform when body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. For the non-uniform motion, motion is said to be non-uniform in place of uniform, non-uniform when body covers unequal distance. When body covers unequal distance in an equal interval of time. Is it clear? Now, when we plot a graph, suppose here I have taken distance, here I have taken time. For the uniform motion graph, all the time we will see graph, we obtain the graph in straight line. Because in the first 5 seconds, body cover 10, 20, 30 meters, 10 meters. In the next 5 seconds, body cover equal distance. In the next, body cover equal distance. So we obtain a straight line graph. But for the non-uniform motion, we can obtain the graph of different types. Distance, time graph. We can obtain the graph like this. We can obtain the graph like this. Or we can obtain the graph like this. Okay. So when we obtain the curve-shaped graph, this type of graph indicates towards the non-uniform motion. So the second point is the type of graph. This is the first point. This is the second point. The next is example. Light, speed, in air is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Constant speed of light. So this is the example of uniform motion. Here we can write ball is thrown upward. We are throwing a ball in upward direction. So its speed will be changed according to the gravitational force which acts on it. So this is the uniform and non-uniform motion.
Here we are having some couple of questions. In the first question, the nature of distance time graph is asked for uniform and non-uniform motion of an object. While in second question, a straight line distance time graph is given parallel to the time axis, and in that condition motion of an object is asked. In this question, 4 figures are given and it is asked which figure shows uniform motion of moving object correctly.